Math is made up of symbols. There are all kinds of symbols in math. The division symbol, the equal sign, there's the congruent symbol used in geometry, there's the greater than or equal to, infinity, addition, subtraction, multiplication, there's the alpha symbol, there's theta symbol, there's the percent symbol, there's all kinds of symbols in math. But today we're going to talk about the radical symbol, or this picture drawn will show you the square root symbol. There are three parts to the radical symbol. The first part is what we call the index, the little small number that's within the radical sign, as you see right here. The second one is the radicand. That's the number underneath the radical symbol. In this case, it would be the number 9. Then there's also the radical symbol itself. Those are the three parts, and these are the three parts that we're going to be talking about today.